Hi, I'm Paul Hawkins. I'm a senior design engineer at the Bristan Group, and I designed the award-winning Wallmount12 fixing kit for our bar showers.
Wallmount12 is full of key features to ensure Bristan bar showers are always brilliantly simple. The bar shower isolator makes maintenance and servicing the valves easier and quicker. No need to go behind the walls or turn the water off for the whole building. The isolator can be accessed through a hole in the shroud covered by the concealing cap. The shroud fully encloses the wall mount, giving a simpler aesthetic which is easier to clean, and also acts as a safe touch safety feature to cover the inlets to help prevent the risk of scalding accidents. Wallmount12 also has a filter to ensure the water is clean and free from debris. The rubber gasket on the wall plates makes sure that the water won't run down the back into the wall cavity. The wall plate has 4 screws to ensure extra stability when installing at whatever angle you need to attach it to avoid the water pipes. Its compact size also means it doesn't stand too far off the wall. Wallmount12 is ideal for installers, whether it's a small-scale domestic install or a large-scale build.
Discover our full Wallmount12 bar shower range at Bristan.com.